In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Google Calendar. First, open Trello in your browser and head to your workspace home. From there, go into your boards view so you can choose the board you want to connect. Open the specific board you use to manage tasks with due dates. This is important because only cards with due dates will appear on a calendar. Inside your board, look toward the top of the page for the option to switch views and choose the calendar view. If it's your first time in this view, Trello may prompt you with options to connect it to a personal calendar. You'll see a small menu in the corner of the calendar view. Click the three dots to open more options, then enable the calendar sync or iCalendar feed for the board. Once enabled, Trello will generate a unique link. Click Copy to copy that URL to your clipboard. This URL is what lets Google Calendar subscribe to your Trello board's due dates. Treat it like a private link. It's read only, but anyone with it can see your board's dated cards. Now switch over to Google Calendar in your browser. On the left side, find the Other Calendar section and click the plus icon to add a new calendar. From the list that appears, choose From URL. In the field that opens, paste the Trello link you copied a moment ago. If you see a checkbox to make the calendar publicly accessible, leave it unchecked unless you explicitly want to share this feed broadly. Most people should keep it private. When you're ready, click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will subscribe to the feed and place it under Other Calendars on the left. This is a live subscription, which means changes to due dates in Trello will flow into Google Calendar automatically. Give Google a little time for the first sync and occasional updates. It's not instant, but it's automatic. After adding, you may land on the settings page for the newly added calendar. Use the visibility or eye icon to confirm it's set to show events, then use the back arrow to return to your main calendar grid. You should now see your Trello cards with due dates appearing on the appropriate days. Click one of the imported items to preview its details. You'll typically see the card title, due date and time, and a link back to the Trello card. That link is handy. Use it anytime you want to open the card quickly to update details in Trello. If you want to tidy your view, use the checkboxes next to calendars on the left to toggle them on and off. This is a great way to compare your Trello tasks against your personal or work calendars without clutter. Remember, the Trello calendar feed is read only in Google Calendar. If you need to change a task name, due date, or checklist, open the card in Trello. The updates will appear in Google Calendar after it refreshes. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure your Trello cards have due dates set or they won't show up. If time zones matter to you, verify your Trello and Google Calendar time zone settings match. And if you don't immediately see new or changed items, give it a short while for Google to pull the latest feed. Finally, if you ever want to disconnect the Trello calendar, hover over its name under Other Calendars, click the small X to remove it, and confirm Remove Calendar. This only unsubscribes Google Calendar. It does not delete anything in Trello, and you can always re-add the feed later using the same steps. That's it. You've connected your Trello board to Google Calendar, verified the sync, and learned how to manage visibility and removal. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!